Hello,
Start.
welcome, good evening to another BS Games. There's a reason why it's called BS Games. I'm your host, introducer, Shaper.
I am being dragged by Shaper to co-introduce this role, despite my preternatural goodness. Yes. Well, anyway, we are playing Cheese Thief with the following list of suspects.
Well, obviously, Kill Uncle is the biggest suspect, and in order of decreasing levels of suspiciousness, Kido Levino, Fujin, Itlog, Kento, and the most innocent, myself.
Therefore, damning himself to be the biggest liar of all, thank you, Shaper. Now, that being said, what is up, everybody? Here is your host, Santa. Take it away, Santa.
Okay, thank you very much. Magandang tandem concept ha. Let's do next time ha. Let's do tandem next time ha. That'll be fun. Okay, yes. We are playing Cheese Thief with these 6 people right now. Basic setup, isang Cheese Thief. He will pick a follower later, but that's it. Since we are playing Cheese Thief, syempre, kailangan nandito ang cheese. Alright, so let us start the game. Guys, mute your mics, go to sleep. Kung sino mo may schedule ng 4, wake up, tingin sa camera. Alright, if you are the cheese thief, wave and the cheese is yours. If you're not the cheese thief at mag-isa ka lang, pick a player. Everyone wake up.
Everyone wake up.
It's 7 o'clock and once again, someone stole the cheese. Meron talagang magnanakaw sa inyong 6. Gumising siya kagabi and stole the cheese. Your job, 5 minutes, catch the cheese thief. Not the follower, the cheese thief. Good luck.
I woke up at 2 a.m. The cheese was still there. I woke up by myself, so I know at least one of you woke up at 4 a.m. So my question
Why not 3 a.m.?
That's funny. At least one of us woke up at 4 a.m.
Who did you check first? Who did you check?
Marami kayo? So you can verify.
Who did you check?
Okay, Bujin woke up at 4 a.m.
I'm not gonna confirm or deny.
Was the cheese still there at 4 a.m. for those who woke up at 4 a.m.?
Wait, let's hear from Skiddo.
I believe Shaper.
No, Skiddo, what time did you wake up?
I will tell later, but I agree with what Shaper said. He woke up at 2. I was about to say it, but Shaper beat me to it. Yes, but I agree with what he's saying. He woke up at 2.
Tell the world.
Okay, so Kel Uncle, me, Bujin, and Itlog wake up together.
Oh no!
Oh, wait. Here's the part na Kento, sabay natin sabihin yung name ng cheese thief.
Okay.
Ayan.
Oh my God! What?
Wait, ako magka-countdown.
You can do a countdown. Anyone.
Ako magka-countdown.
Pero kami lang magsasalita ni Kento.
Yung apat magsasalita.
Hindi, kami na lang ni Kento. Okay.
Wait,
Shaper,
bakit
you
kayong
do the
dalawa?
countdown.
Hindi. Pag dalawa lang, ibig sabihin may ipo-point out kayo na paano kung kayo yung cheese thief tsaka yung follower. Dapat tayong apat sa
Here we go.
No, do it on the same time.
Here we go.
So,
Because we are the innocent ones.
That's
Sabay na lang tayong apat. Sabay tayong apat. To be fair.
Kami lang ni Kento. You listen to us.
Agree si Shaper.
Sabay.
Kasi if it's just
Mag-raise na lang tayo ng number. 3 to 1, tapos raise tayo ng number.
Yeah, that's the
Kento, they're trying to silence us.
In sync.
Okay,
Sure,
Sync ka.
the same number.
Game.
Skiddo, we're impartial witnesses. Put it on camera, your hands.
Wait, Skiddo, who did you check?
Shaper, like I said.
And Shaper, who did you check?
Bujin. But it doesn't matter. It's the 4 of you.
Okay, just find me
It's the 4 of you. Why are you putting us in the pot?
Wait. Kailangan sabay-sabay tayong apat
Me and Shaper.
Pinatatagal lang ni Kill Uncle. Ano ba yan?
Yeah, hurry, go. Pinapatagal mo Kill Uncle.
No, do a countdown.
Why are you steering the fuck, Kill Uncle?
Let's count the countdown from
I don't know what Shaper is doing, but this is me.
10.
Wait,
Nine.
tayong apat lang ba bibilang or...
Si Shaper bibilang countdown.
Ano bibilang?
In 5.
Just start from 3 down.
9.
2 minutes left.
8.
2 minutes left.
7.
What a long count.
With your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And go!
Ano yan?
Wow, what's this? What is this?
Kento nakatago yung kay Shaper. Ay, yung kay Kento.
Iba-iba po sila ng votes. Nakakatawa, sorry.
So meron kayo parang mga 25%
Iba-iba po sila ng
to
votes.
pick
Nakakatawa.
one of us.
So ganito yan. Shaper, Skiddo, it's not
1.5
me
minutes
because
left.
the odds are low.
Yeah.
So I will be bad again.
Kill Uncle, who are you accusing? 6. You're accusing Bujin? No, you're
No,
accusing
no, no,
Itlog.
no, no.
Itlog? Yeah, 6. You're accusing Itlog. Itlog, you're accusing who?
It doesn't matter.
Bujin.
Yeah, it doesn't matter kasi lahat kami iba-iba pinili.
Iba kami.
Pero what does matter is, statistically, I was bad, so I probably strongly will be good.
That's
So
a
please
liar,
believe.
straight out liar. Because why would you accuse someone who's not even in the group? You're accusing me.
No, it was. What is this? Can you not see
No,
this?
Kento's accusing me.
Kento voted
Yeah. Shaper,
So
we need...
is-
Shaper, our votes should be unanimous, Shaper, because we need to at least... We have
Our votes.
Oh shit, sorry. 45 seconds. I got the news.
So who are you guys? No, Shaper, Skiddo, please vote Itlog. And I will support that unanimous vote.
Shaper, I think it's between Kento
30
and-
seconds.
I think it's
If you want to be unanimous,
Kento chose you, which is weird.
no, I mean he chose number 2. Yes,
Kento chose you.
So Shaper, Skiddo, if you choose Itlog,
Maraming sinasabi ni Kill Uncle.
Shaper,
15
Skiddo, if you
seconds.
choose Itlog, I will vote with you.
I think
It will be
Kento
unanimous.
is trying to sway us from voting to Cheesy.
10 seconds.
No, I have no agenda.
Guys, let's
Five,
go, Kento. Let's go, Kento.
3.
No, choose Itlog. Shaper, choose
One.
Itlog. Listen.
All right.
Listen,
5 minutes
Listen.
have passed. I am not sure what's going to happen. Even the plan na sabay-sabay mag-vote, wala. Iba-iba sila binote. Let's see how this turns
Why are
out.
they voting all different? There should only be two liars here.
So, you would expect at
Follow
least
me.
dalawa mapareho, no? But
Yeah,
Listen to
all of them
my soothing sound of my voice.
so, Shaper, kung may book si Shaper, he was pulling it out. But anyway, I'm going to get down from 3. Sabay-sabay kayo mag-vote. You cannot vote for yourself. If you're the follower, you cannot vote for yourself.
Kento,
I'm going to count you
Kento.
guys down. 3,
No, don't.
two,
Choose Itlog. Choose
1.
Itlog.
Vote. Hold it up,
Choose
please.
Itlog.
Vote. Hold it up, please.
God.
Wala kayo to. I can't
Listen.
count it anymore. 2 talaga. Sige, 2. 4 people voted Kento. Kento has the most votes.
God, guys.
Kento is not the follower. Kento is not the cheese thief. The cheese thief was Itlog. And the follower is Bujin.
Why is
I have
Bujin
no idea.
Yung sinabi ni Sandman na hindi pwede iboto nung apprentice yung sarili
I
niya.
have no
Gagayahin ko na lang
idea.
iboto ni Bujin.
Why he voted to?
Bujin, wala yung voting for Kento.
The only reason...
Bujin is the follower. Bujin is the
So
follower.
Kento, why did you not vote? Why are you voting 2?
I
Hindi niya ata nakita.
didn't see the
Ay, hindi mo nakita yung cheese
chicken.
thief? Hindi mo
Yeah.
nakita yung cheese thief?
Wow.
Wala, hindi mo nakita yung mga nag-wave. Mga nag-wave.
Hindi mo nakita yung cheese thief.
Because I need to swipe.
Actually, nag-hang siya. Tingnan niyo yung sa live recording later.
Uh,
Nag-hang siya. Kinabahan din ako. Shit, I can't wake the next person up kasi makikita naka-physical.
That's
So,
why I
nag-use
voted
pala yung
2.
internet niya that time. So, nakakatawa. Nakita ni Kill
I'm sorry,
Uncle
I'm
everything. Pero
My fault,
wala
my fault.
siyang kakampi kasi nag-peace yung innocent person.
Oh my gosh.
Kill Uncle, the reason, the time when Kento said it was Shaper, it was all sus to me.
Why? Kento.
Yeah, pero
Ano sinabi mo nag-freeze na lang? Instead of
AK games for you.
This is
KK over 2 KK games over 2. No, but seriously, I would have thought that was a follower move than a cheese thief move. Kasi the cheese thief, I think the cheese thief would have kept it dun sa mga gumising na 4. Maybe pick someone else. Pero I would have avoided Kento kasi pumili siya outside. Parang That's just me. Pero nevertheless, Kento got the most votes. Sino man na may schedule ng one-way captain sa camera? If you are the cheese thief, wave. Cheese yours. If you're not the cheese thief and mag-isa ka lang, pick up to play. Alright, so that was long enough. Back to sleep. Sino man mag-isip ng one. Sino man may schedule ng two-way captain sa camera? If you're the cheese thief, wave and the cheese is yours. If you're not the cheese thief and mag-isa ka lang, there. Next, back to deep. Sino man gumising na? Alright. Back to sleep kung sino man gumising ng
It's like no one got 2 votes. So I got scared like, I don't know.
Sandman, excited na ako sa closing. Excited na ako.
That's the best part. Kill Uncle that saw everything and Shaper was racking his brain off. Wala. You guys, congratulations, you lost. But you guys
what's the scenario where that happens? I couldn't think of a scenario.
Palang nakita ko, shit, 4 sila gigising. This is an easy game. Wala. It made things a lot more complicated. Kill Uncle Shaper, please close the game. Try to close the game.
I don't get it though. Really, Kento.
Well, that was another bullshit game. That hence the name BS Games. How is that even possible? That is even logically impossible. That is BS Games in a nutshell. Don't you agree, Kill Uncle?
Yes. Back to you, Shaper.
And that caps a perfect night of a 0-5 win streak for Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle, how do you feel about that?
It doesn't count.
Well, if you want to see more of Kill Uncle try and destroy everyone's mind and internet shenanigans, like, subscribe, poll, toggle, whatever these young kids do these days with social media, whatever. So see you next time. Kill Uncle, any last words?
No.
Stunned speechless, Kill Uncle. See you guys.